How about you?
I'm fantastic. Okay. So, what's your name and what should I call you?
My name is Mahjabi Rahman Khan. You can call me Mahjabi.
Okay, Mahajabin. Let us start our speaking test. Okay.
Sure.
In the first picture, you'll have so many objects. Okay. So I will say something which might not be available in your picture. So you have to find out and answer accordingly. Okay. So should I start?
Yes, sure.
Very good. In my picture, I can see uh, a boy sitting on the deck of the ship and playing with a car.
In my picture, I can see a boy is playing, but not with a car. He's playing with drumsticks.
Okay, very good. I can see an old man who is sitting on the chair and eating pizza.
I also can see an old man sitting on the chair, but he's eating an ice cream.
Okay, an old man. Clear? An old man. Very good. I can see a luggage on the floor, which is blue.
I can see a bag which is blue.
Very good. A man with curly hair. A man with curly hair, and he's taking the picture or photo with a camera.
Okay. I also can see a man who's taking picture, but he has straight hair.
Straight here. Very good. Okay, that's the end of your part one. Let us move to part two, okay? So in that part, you are already given two pictures, okay? One is George's Castle and the other is Grace's Castle. So in George's Castle part, I will ask you a question and you have to answer.
Okay.
From Grace's Castle, you'll have to ask me a question, I'll answer. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, you have 10 seconds to have a look on the picture. Are you ready? Okay. From George's Castle, okay? Um, where is the castle located?
The castle is located on the mountain.
Very good. What is the name of the castle?
The castle's name is Black Castle.
Okay. Who lives there?
The queen lives there.
Okay. How old is that castle?
The castle is 500 years old.
Okay. Is that castle interesting?
Yes, it's very interesting.
Very good. Could you please ask me a question from Grace's Castle?
Yes. Where is Grace's castle located?
Grace's Castle is located in the forest.
What is the name of the castle?
The name of Grace's Castle is Silver Castle.
Who lives there?
An artist lives there.
How old is the castle?
The castle is about 1,000 years old.
Is it interesting?
No, it is not. That is the end of your part 2. Let us move to part 3. In that part, you are given 5 pictures.
Yes.
According to the serial, you have to describe the picture and make up a story. Okay? So you have 10 seconds to have a look on all the pictures and then you can start with the heading. Okay?
I can start.
Okay.
So I can see the name of the story is Grandma's Busy Day. So there is a family where is a mother and a father and their son, and his name is Paul, and he has a grandmother. So Paul's parents were leaving for work or somewhere, and grandma has to take care of Paul the whole day. So in the second picture, I can see grandma is playing tennis with Paul. And then in the third picture, grandma takes Paul to a walk beside the mountains. And sometimes they goes for a horse riding beside the sea or on the beach. And after the whole day, maybe in the evening, Paul gets tired and he sleeps on the couch. And his parents also come back home that time, and his grandmother plays video games while Paul sleeps.
Very good. But they is plural, right? So they goes should not be there. They go. Okay? Thank you so much. That is the end of your thinking test. Best of luck.